Today is a beautiful foggy day and I thought of going on an adventure. I was at the gym this morning and I felt on the treadmill like I would rather be outside today. So I'm going to take you on a little adventure with me. The plan is to get some dandelions today. So I'm going to need a couple of things to grab the dandelions, and when I get back we are making some dandelion honey. I've seen how awesome it could be. Well, I'm going to try it today. I need to go on a little drive to get to the dandelions. Currently, I'm driving on the Cottonwood Pass in the southeast part of Colorado with an elevation of 12,126 feet. Also crosses the Continental Divide, and it is closed during the winter time and only opens in May month. Okay, so the thing I probably didn't account for is that I might be out of BLM land. Hopefully this will turn out. Come on, I've driven this far. We are getting close to where all the dandelions are. I think I have enough dandelions. This is the batch I got. As I'm driving away, I should probably point out that there was a lot of dandelions where I went. Around where we are camping, there is also dandelions, but not a lot, so I will not go and forage them there. I think that we need to keep most of it for nature, and it is very important for us to make sure that whatever you take, just take what you need and move on. So the first step is to rinse these really well and get them clean. Okay, so next up we're going to take the dandelions that has been rinsed. We're going to take the flower parts off, leaving the green parts behind because they are very bitter. We're going to put it in our saucepan with a lemon, and then we are going to boil it and leave it to soak for a couple of hours. Okay, so this is not as easy as I thought. So as soon as you rinse the dandelion, it kind of looks like it is not happy anymore. So then you have to pull the yellow back and not get the green in, and kind of turn it so that you could get the yellow leaves out. It's taking longer than I thought, but there's apparently a method to the madness.
To make this dandelion honey or syrup, you will need 2 cups of flowers, vanilla extract, 2 organic lemon slices. I brought that all to boil and let it sit for a couple of hours. Strained it, and then I added equal parts sugar to the water that I had left. All of that was then boiled so that the sugar can dissolve, and I added it to my sterile console glass and left it in the fridge to thicken up. Thank you for joining me today. I'll leave the recipe here for you to take a screenshot. See you next time.